check it out. We was walking through the creek, and my brother found this piece of an arrowhead. Right there. That's crazy. It's not got the tip on it, but man, check out the shoulder on that. That is slick. That's awesome. It was way too early, I thought, to turn my camera on, but there it is, little creek chub. Threw it in, and as soon as I threw it in, he was right on it. So pretty cool. All right, let's keep fishing. Alrighty, so I caught that creek chub, and I'm gonna move on down. Right now, all I've got is a jig head on. But if you guys remember this part of the creek, I don't know if you do or not, but it's changed a little bit. There's some more stumps, which the creek's been up and down quite a bit lately. You know, it's definitely changed a bit. It used to just be like that stump or something, and now I've got 3 stumps right here. Probably got some decent fish in here, but I don't know. It's gonna be hard to tell. Just throwing the jig head in, golly, the flies are crazy and gnats. But anyways, I don't think I'm gonna throw in here very much, just for the fact that I'll probably end up getting snagged. I don't really want to get snagged. So I'm gonna walk on down a little bit, keep my eye peeled for some arrowheads along the way. We was talking about that, and it might not have been an arrowhead. It's very possible that it could be a spearhead, or even a knife. I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. This right here is a little deep. I heard something, probably a frog. I was waiting to maybe see it, but keep my eyes peeled for anything. I don't really care. Frog, anything. So walk on down here. Over there under that tree is probably the best pool, and the pool that we've caught the biggest fish out of in this creek. So keep walking. Scan this real quick for some arrowheads. I don't want to do anything crazy, but there's definitely been some arrowheads found in this creek before. My cousin found a big one once, so you know, it's not out of the question. Wow, this pool right here has never been so clear. I've never seen this pool right here so clear. So got some fish following it. I honestly don't feel like it's not as deep as it had been. Like used to, it was really deep. But I guess just with the water, you know, going up and down, you can see where it's washed some more gravel into it. So it's kind of crazy, but oh, I'm under a rock. Alrighty, I got it. Probably scared all the fish out of it, but didn't lose my jig head. Alrighty, I'll probably end up swapping this jig head out for just a regular hook here in not very long at all. But I'm just going to keep walking a little ways, scanning. Alright guys, so I tied on a little hook. I've got me a worm on. I'm going to toss it in here. I tossed a grub in off camera, and fish took it like as soon as it hit the water. So you'll have that. I think it was a big creek chub, but I'm just kind of letting it float down. I don't have a sinker or anything on it. It's just the hook and the worm. So we'll see what we catch. Might not catch anything. But this is that same pool I was just at right before I swapped baits. So there he is. Let's see, what is it? What is it? Little bluegill. Hope you guys can see that. Alright. That's a nice hook set too. I mean, just right there on the lip. But yeah, there he is. He's really kind of purple looking. He's got some blue. That's a pretty fish. Looks really nice. I'm going to throw him back. And I still have my worm. So. Alright, get this worm back out there. There's another pretty good sized fish if he goes after it, but there's already creek chubs at it. I want to toss him back out. Alright, we're back at this first little pool. This one's probably the best one. I feel like it always has been pretty much. So oh man, if I can get this casted out there. PB of the year, but I think this one takes the cake now. It's another bluegill. Check that guy out. So he's again got that real blue, but it's kind of purpley like. Hopefully you guys can see that on the camera. Really nice fish. And another good hook set. He's just right there in the lip. Yeah, not bad at all. I still have, oh, I thought I still had the worm one, but I do not. There he is, and he's, you know, healthy looking fish. So let him go so I can catch him again. Alrighty guys, put me another worm on and get back to fishing. Toss him back out there like I was doing. That was a pretty good little toss out there. It was like right in the middle of it. Try and do that again. Oh, that didn't happen that time. But I'm gonna let some more line go out and try that again. All right, that was about good. Just had a fish bite at it. They're real tiny little creek chubs.